Maintaining clean windows is essential for keeping your home looking beautiful, letting in natural light, and improving energy efficiency. In Bel Air, where the picturesque views of the hills and city are often a major highlight of the home, it's important to ensure your windows remain spotless and well maintained throughout the year. While it may seem like a daunting task, regular care and cleaning can help preserve the look and functionality of your windows, keeping them in excellent condition. In this article, we'll share tips and strategies for cleaning and maintaining your windows year-round, ensuring that your Bel Air home looks its best no matter the season. Clean your windows regularly. The most straightforward way to keep your windows in great shape is by cleaning them regularly. Over time, dirt, dust, and grime accumulate on windows, potentially causing damage to the glass or frames. For homeowners in Bel Air, where dust and pollen can affect windows during certain seasons, it's especially important to stay on top of cleaning. Start by cleaning your windows every 1–2 months to prevent buildup. If you're in an area with high pollution, smog, or salt in the air, you may need to clean them more frequently. Using a soft cloth or microfiber towel with a gentle cleaning solution, such as a mixture of vinegar and water or a store-bought cleaner, will help you remove dirt without damaging the glass. Be sure to clean both the inside and outside surfaces of your windows for a thorough job. Don't forget the window frames and tracks. While most attention is given to the glass itself, the window frames and tracks also require regular maintenance to ensure smooth operation and longevity. Dirt and debris can accumulate in the tracks, preventing windows from opening or closing properly. In Bel Air, where outdoor dust and debris may blow in, regularly cleaning the tracks helps maintain window functionality and prevents buildup. To clean the tracks, use a vacuum with a narrow nozzle attachment or a small brush to remove dust and dirt. Wipe down the frame with a damp cloth to remove any remaining grime. If your windows have weather stripping or seals, inspect them periodically to ensure they are intact and free of debris that could compromise energy efficiency. Address water spots and streaks promptly. Water spots and streaks can be frustrating to remove from windows, especially in an area like Bel Air where the sun can quickly dry water on the glass. These spots are typically caused by mineral deposits left behind when water evaporates. The best way to prevent this buildup is by wiping windows down promptly after they get wet, particularly during rainstorms or after watering outdoor plants. If you do notice water spots or streaks, use a vinegar-based solution to remove them. Mix equal parts vinegar and water and apply it to the glass using a soft cloth or paper towel. For stubborn spots, use a commercial glass cleaner or a professional-grade cleaning solution to restore clarity and shine. Check for damage or wear. Keeping your windows in good condition requires more than just regular cleaning. It's also important to check for any signs of damage or wear that could affect their performance. For windows in Bel Air, where exposure to heat, humidity, and seasonal elements can take a toll, it's crucial to inspect your windows periodically to catch any issues early on. Inspect the glass for cracks, chips, or any areas that may need resealing. Check the window frames for signs of rot, warping, or wear, especially for wooden windows. If you notice any damage, it's best to address it sooner rather than later, as small issues can lead to bigger problems down the line. Prevent condensation and mold growth. In Bel Air, humidity levels can fluctuate throughout the year, and excess moisture on your windows can lead to condensation and even mold growth. Condensation on windows occurs when warm, moist air comes into contact with the cold surface of the glass. While this is common in cooler months, it can also happen year-round due to changes in temperature. To prevent condensation and mold, ensure your home is well ventilated, especially in areas like bathrooms and kitchens. Use exhaust fans or open windows to allow moisture to escape. If you see condensation forming on your windows, wipe it off immediately to prevent mold buildup. Additionally, consider using a dehumidifier in areas with high moisture levels to keep your home dry and mold-free. Seasonal maintenance tips. Your window care routine should change with the seasons to account for different weather conditions and outdoor elements. Here's how to adjust your window maintenance for each season. Spring and summer. Clean your windows regularly to remove pollen, dust, and dirt that accumulate during warmer months. Inspect the seals and weather stripping to ensure they are intact and preventing drafts. You may also need to clean your windows more often due to higher dust levels and outdoor air pollution. Fall. As the leaves fall, you may find debris collecting around your windows. Be sure to clear out any leaves or branches from window sills and tracks, and inspect your windows for any cracks or gaps that may have developed due to temperature fluctuations. Clean your windows to remove any dirt and grime before the winter months arrive. Winter. During the colder months, focus on preventing drafts by ensuring your windows are properly sealed. Check for any gaps in the seals or caulking around your windows that may allow cold air to enter. If you notice any condensation or frost buildup, wipe it off regularly to prevent mold growth or damage. Professional help for tough jobs. While regular cleaning and simple maintenance can usually be handled on your own, there are times when professional help is necessary. If you have windows that are hard to reach, require replacement, or show signs of significant damage, it's best to call a professional. Professionals can handle complex tasks like resealing windows, replacing weather stripping, or fixing broken seals. Additionally, they can help with deep cleaning or restoring older windows that may have accumulated significant buildup. Conclusion. Keeping your windows clean and maintained year-round in Bel Air requires regular care and attention. By cleaning your windows regularly, maintaining the frames and tracks, addressing water spots, and checking for damage, you'll be able to extend the life of your windows and enhance the comfort and energy efficiency of your home. Seasonal maintenance is essential for ensuring your windows perform at their best no matter the weather, while professional help can handle more complex tasks. With these tips, your Bel Air windows will continue to provide clear views, added curb appeal, and improved indoor comfort for years to come.